Welcome to the mesmerizing world of jellyfish. Watch as these incredible creatures go through a remarkable transformation. From polyps to strabula, ephra, and adult jellyfish, witness the beauty of their life cycle. Polyps attach themselves and bud into strabula. Strabula become free-swimming ephra. Maturing into stunning adult jellyfish, they navigate the ocean with grace, using tentacles to capture prey. Experience the wonders of marine life and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Discover more amazing stories from the natural world. Stay tuned for more captivating adventures.